Tight muscles cause joints to stiffen up, press on nerves, and cause pain.
My job required me to do a lot of heavy lifting, and I hurt my lower back, and I was in pain for 10 years, and it got to the point where I was taking painkillers on a daily basis.
I'm a baseball pitcher, and I throw 90+ miles an hour. I started to develop shoulder pain, and due to the shoulder pain, I started to throw slower.
3 years ago when I was running, I slipped on ice, whiplashed my neck, severely injured it.
I was bothered by an ache in my lower left buttocks for probably 3 years. X-rays showed nothing.
Overused or injured muscles become tight, sore, and weak, and muscles move bones. So the 3 keys to being pain-free are to release tight muscles, remobilize stiff joints, and to restore strength. Tight muscles begin to stick to each other, and by eliminating the stiffness, the pain goes away. By remobilizing stiff joints, your freedom of motion will return, and restoring strength will prevent the problem from coming back.
Well, after only a month, I started seeing a lot of results. I'm nearly pain-free. I don't have to take painkillers on a regular basis anymore, and I look forward to getting up and starting my day and not having to worry about my back pain.
After working with Dr. Anderson, the pain and tension in my shoulder was gone immediately. My fastball climbed back up to 90 miles an hour, and I started to receive numerous calls from professional scouts and colleges.
After seeing literally dozens of different providers for this problem, I met Dr. Anderson, and in less than 3 months, the pain was significantly reduced and I was back to work.
After several weeks of therapy from Dr. Anderson, I walk just fine and I sleep just fine. There's no pain.
Get rid of your pain and get back to doing the things that you love to do.
Call Dr. Anderson today to schedule your free 15-minute exam.